Good morning everyone, welcome to a new vlog. It is currently 7:30 in the morning and I'm all alone. Both the boys are still asleep. It actually surprises me so much that Frederick's asleep still, but he is, so we're just gonna run with it. Also, before we get started on the day, yes, I've got brand new glasses on. Ended up getting my glasses yesterday, which makes me so happy. I got 2 new pairs, which I'll show you the other pair later in the day, but I'm wearing this pair today because I wore the other pair yesterday, so I'm really happy with my glasses. And yeah, they're so different to my last ones. But this camera is about to die, so I actually need to put it on charge before the boys wake up. Morning!
Good morning!
Jason is awake. It is 7:45 now.
I've been awake for 15 minutes.
He has not. He's been awake for about a minute and a half.
About 20 minutes.
It's been 15 minutes since I last picked up the camera, but Frederick is still asleep, so we're going to see what time he wakes up. So it is officially 7:47. What time are you going to say Frederick's going to wake up? I'm going to say in about
8:01.
4 minutes. 7:51. So in 4 minutes he's going to wake up.
Do you see how clear her glasses are?
I know, they're so good, aren't they?
It's like there's no lenses.
There is he. What is that, Jason? What did you just do?
That's how the professionals do it. They don't care. They're just like... They knock it and then there's coffee on everywhere, so I'm a pro. That's just how we do it.
That's just a standard day in a coffee maker.
How we do it in the industry.
I better go wake up Frederick so he wakes up within the time limit of me. So Frederick ended up waking like literally on the dot of when Jason said he was going to wake up. He woke up at 8:01, literally on the dot. So I lost that bet. Luckily we didn't bet anything because I would have lost it. But today we've got some stuff happening. The main thing that's happening is this room. We actually painted the spare room. Well, I mean Jason. Jason painted this room yesterday. So he's got another coat to go because it looks good, but it definitely needs like a second coat. And then Jason's gonna put all the furniture that he wants in here, which is like our old desk, because yesterday I got a new desk for my office, which is really exciting, which I'll show you guys in a second. My old desk is going into this room and Jason's like hanging his bikes on the wall. And yeah, it's going to be quite exciting to see this room change from a storeroom into an actual room. This is my old desk. As you can see, it's black and gross and boring and everything. And this is not our aesthetic anymore, so we got a brand new one. Bad boy over here is my new desk. It is from the wonderful brand of Kmart. Also, my chair is from Kmart. We got it yesterday because, of course,
it's actually quite a sturdy chair. It's quite heavy.
Yeah, it's really good. All my stuff out. So I've got my diary thing from Kmart. This is from KKK. I got it for Christmas. I also got this for Christmas. It's from KKK. I've got my glasses case back there. Actually, show them my glasses. Yes, you can wear them. So these are my other pair of glasses that I've got at the moment.
Kylie.
They actually suit you.
I feel like a professor.
Kind of look like Harry Potter. No. No! Oh god. I'm really liking it. I'm like loving it. And I can't wait to remove that desk there and put that in Jason's room, because that's going into the new, I don't even know what we would call it. Jason doesn't want to call it a man cave because he doesn't like to associate himself with man cave.
I feel, and correct me if I'm wrong, when you say man cave, I've got a man cave, it's somewhere you go to escape from life or your family, but I don't want to do that.
Yeah, so we need to call Jason's room something else. But we just, I can't take you serious with the Harry Potter scar.
You said they look good though.
Not this scar. I can't take you serious with the scar on your head. Anyway, we need a new name for Jason's room. So if you have, I'm coming, Baba. I'm coming. So if you have any ideas on what we could call Jason's room, not a man cave, leave us comments down below because we need your help on what to call it. It's 1:30 now. We finally finished the spare room. Jason did 3 coats of white paint because the part of the brown wall just kept on showing through, but it is done. The creepy man is back there everyone hates.
It's not creepy, it's Charlie Chaplin,
Everyone
guys.
just thinks he's so creepy because his eyes follow the camera.
I got you, Charlie.
But the room is done, so we're gonna go and show you quickly, and we're gonna stop vlogging for the day, and then we're gonna pick up the camera tomorrow. See the white walls, they look amazing. We've got Arnold in the room now. He's not officially in our bedroom anymore, which makes me so happy. But Arnold's in here. Jason's got his black desk here that was in our dining room before. He's got like all his knickknacks up here. More knickknacks, his books and everything, and we need to get a picture for the photo. We're happy the room is done, and now we can sit down and relax for the rest of the day.
Have a shower, I need a shower.
You do, you stink. It's been a couple of days, and both those days that we haven't put anything in this vlog, we've actually vlogged, but they just haven't turned out to be very good vlogging days, so I just don't want to put in footage that is very mumble jumble, but I will put in a little bit of yesterday just because it is quite important and we want to share it with you guys because I want to support Jason, and support Jason is I need to put in the thing that we were talking about yesterday, so I'm just going to put it in here. But we actually have some exciting news about Jason. Do you want to just quickly say it?
I am a blogger.
Jason started his blog.
And you guys should follow me.
Yes, I will leave all the links down below to Jason's blog. He's done 1 blog post so far. By the time this video goes up, he probably still has only done 1 blog post. But I will leave all the links down below so you guys can go subscribe to him and also go comment on all his blogs.
Let me know what you guys think. Go and check it out.
Yeah.
Are you going to put the link in the bottom?
Yes, I just said that. You don't need to plug. You don't need to plug yourself any further. So Jason started a blog and I'm so excited for him. So all the links for his blog will be listed down below so you guys can go subscribe to it and also go check out what Jason is blogging about. But today I actually got a call to go into work. So today I'm working from 10 to 1. So I have about an hour and a half to get ready. So I've literally got out of bed as soon as they called because I was still in bed when they called me to come into work. So I got up, got Frederick his breakfast. I'm currently eating my breakfast. Well, I'm vlogging, but my breakfast is up there. So I need to get ready now and get Frederick ready because Frederick is coming with me today. So I know this lighting or angle isn't the greatest, but we're just going to deal with it because we don't have time to make everything perfect. I'm putting my face on today, so I thought I would just show you a quick do of what I do every day. I'm going to see if I can get some of my colour shade adjusting drops out today because my foundation that I'm using is just 1 shade too dark, and if I could lighten that, that would make my life a lot easier. I'm gonna zoom you guys in just a little bit more so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. My eyes are so struggling right now, but we're just going to deal with it. This one mainly struggles the most, more than this one. This one is worse than my other one, but it's so hard to see things now that my eyes are set to my new glasses. It's so hard to see things or focus on things without my glasses on. My foundation is still a little bit too dark for my face, but we're just going to run with it until I go to the shops and get some more drops or a new foundation. I'm gonna quickly do my brows because they're the most important thing on my face that I do have to do perfect is my brows, just because I don't really have brows. If you don't know, I literally have invisible brows and I have to tint my brows every like 4 weeks because they literally go to like Frederick's colour of his hair. Like they're invisible. things last, we're going to put some mascara on. So makeup is done. I just need to get changed, get my shoes on, brush my teeth, put my hair up really nice. And I need to get Frederick's stuff in a bag. So he is ready to go. He's got so many pairs of clothes and so many undies just in case he does accidents. But fingers crossed he doesn't. He's been really good with toilet training lately that he hasn't really had many accidents. But I guess you guys are probably wondering what I'm doing for a job because I haven't really said to anybody what I'm doing. Just because I kind of wanted to keep that private. But everyone's been wondering what I'm doing and I just don't want people to think that I'm doing something bad. But basically I got back into childcare. It's a casual role. It's pretty cool that Frederick still comes with me and I know where he is at all times. He's at the centre that I'm working at. So I feel so much better, but it is his official first day at a daycare. I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna start getting ready because we haven't got much longer until we have to go.
Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. It isn't in my blood. I don't know. I'll never even satisfied. But you're the one way you make me feel the way that you really couldn't be told. You can't get out. You make me so hot. Make me wanna try. You're so ridiculous. I can barely stop. I can hardly breathe. You make me wanna scream. You're so fabulous. You're so good to me.
So we just got home from work and I got home to a parcel. I've already opened my parcel because I couldn't wait. So I opened it and I got a brand new towel from Tribal Beach. Absolutely love these towels and I'm repping for their company. So I get a new towel every month, I think. I want to get some of their towels with saving some money. I do have a discount code for you guys. So it's the Donnellans 20. And yeah, go save some money, put my code in, and you can get amazing towels. But Frederick's just laying in bed because he is still tired because I did have to wake him up only an hour into his nap. So he is still a little bit tired and it is only 2 o'clock. So I'm guessing he's probably going to go back to sleep. But I'm going to end today's vlog because I need to go hop in the shower and de-stress. Not that I'm stressed, but you know, get into the zone of like relaxing now because I finished work. So I'm going to hop into the shower, get changed into my comfy clothes, sit down on the couch, watch some TV, and wait until it's dinner time. That is what I'm doing. Anyway, I'll talk to you all in a couple of days. Bye!